So I'm working on organizing my jewelry, and I realized I should record this because maybe it would be helpful for somebody else. So you guys have seen my closet. I'm actually been working on doing some new little organizational things in here. Um, just trying to move some stuff around, make it more practical, make it just look nice. But my jewelry drawer has been a little bit crazy, and I actually don't wear a ton of jewelry. I like really delicate little things, but I do love to pick up little pieces when I travel. I feel like that's kind of my my collecting thing that I like to do, so that I do have pieces when I do wear them. A lot of them are from places that I've been, but I also have just some random little things as well. So I just kind of want to get this a little more organized. It's kind of messy. I've been just kind of tossing things in here. I also have the little SL Miss Glam jewelry box. So I was trying to put some of my smaller delicate things in here as well, just to make it easier to access. Falling over. I have some earrings from my husband. I've got a little studs here, little mermaids. I've got this ring in Scotland. Some of the other ones, I have the V for Vi, and just some little pieces. Nothing in there yet. So I was trying to move some of my little things into here. And then I also got this cute little thing from Urban Outfitters that I was putting a couple rings on. And then I've actually been hanging some of the my go-to necklaces here, and I just added one more little command hook just to kind of have those. They're easier to access, that way they're not getting tangled, and they're the ones I probably wear the most. So I was trying to move some stuff around, and then maybe also just kind of go through what I have, see what I want to keep, see what I can give away, and all of that. So I'm just gonna actually move this piece. This comes out. This was actually like a thing I was able to add when the California Closets did our closets, was like a little jewelry drawer. So yeah, so I wanted to kind of just go through some of this stuff. I know these angles aren't the best. I do like how this is situated. This is like the biggest square, so I kind of just have my little bangles in here. I've got one from one of my friends. This is from a wedding I was in, but they're little Kate Spade ones, and then a Kate Spade bracelet that my husband got me, and then a couple of little Madewell ones as well that I just like. And then again, I love to pick up little pieces when I travel. So like I have this one from when we went to Colorado out west. This was either in Colorado or Arizona maybe. And then I've got like a little lobster from Maine. And then I've got like a little New York and a little California necklace. I think my husband got me both of these as gifts. But I don't want them to get tangled. I'm wondering if I should maybe even make a special hook for just like, oh, I'm dropping them already. My little travel necklaces that I maybe don't like. I don't really wear them, but they are ones that are nostalgic from our trip. I might wear the lobster one. That's still pretty cute. And then I've got just like some random, I think I went through a phase of buying some very interesting jewelry that I probably just wouldn't necessarily wear. Like this is just so tangly because of how long it is. It's still pretty, but maybe I just need to store it differently. I wonder if this would even, I feel like it's gonna cover up my other, it's definitely, oh God, that's a terrible angle, sorry guys. I mean, that's okay. At least it's like hanging so it's not getting tangled. I might move some of that stuff around. This is another little bracelet I think I just got from, I don't even remember, one of my subscriptions, but that could go with the other ones. And then I probably don't need the little bag. And then these are little hair clips. Those could go with my hair clips instead of my jewelry. Just a little Chanel pouch, which I was gonna keep. And then again, travel necklaces. So I got this in London. This is from London, Iceland, Scotland, Amsterdam, Greece. So I do like how that looks because it's easy to see. I like being able to kind of look, and that's kind of my idea for this drawer is, again, because I kind of have a couple go-to pieces, I'm thinking I keep those in here. My necklaces are right there. This can be kind of just like my collection area was kind of my thought. And then some random pieces maybe that just need a space. Like, you know, I got these earrings from Mother's Day from Topher, my husband. I should move these little guys, but let's just put them back here for now. Because again, I guess making sense with what I just said, maybe they should stay in here if I'm making room. Oh, my little closet light just turned off. There we go. And then like that. Leave the New York and California ones for now. These I just got off of Amazon. I thought they were really cute. They were really cheap, but I thought they'd be kind of cute for like a beach look. So I just need to find a different maybe spot for those. This is a very cool necklace I got, but I feel like that one should hang as well. That would be definitely one. I like simple. I like just like a long chain with something on it, or like a layered chain with like a couple pendants. I like simple. Okay, this is actually a super nice necklace my husband got me. I do want to keep that probably in here just to be safe for now. These are both like stone ones. Oh, I need to untangle. This is also a necklace. Actually, we were just talking about this, that my husband got me for like one of our early anniversaries. It's like a vintage owl locket, so maybe I'll keep that with the other necklace that he got me. And then that side is pretty well done for now. Again, I'm gonna move stuff around, but it's hard to do this one-handed, but it's fine. Up here, I've got some keychains that could get moved. Little Ipsy keychains. And then I actually I'm a nerd. I love the Tudor time period. I'm a big Anne Boleyn fan, so I actually got the bee necklace when I was in London at one of the gift shops. And then this is like a long knot necklace, which is really pretty. I'm gonna keep it there for now. A couple of Madewell necklaces. I'm thinking of getting rid of this one. It's just kind of tarnished and I don't really wear it, so I might free up some space there. In here I've got my London owl. I got this. This is equally tarnished. However, I love it. It's like one of the first necklaces I ever got when we were traveling. And so I'm keeping it at least. I don't know how long I'll be able to wear it. I really need, this is annoying me. These are so tangled. And then I've got bracelets over here. So I've basically got a bunch of ones I just got. These three I just got in Greece. Oh, and this one too in Greece. And then this is a London, and then some little rings from Madewell. And then I've got a pair of earrings that maybe I can look up. So that already looks so much better. I'm going to take the tag off of that little bracelet, but already I just feel like that looks far more organized and less messy. And then again, I can access my lovely necklaces there. And then I've got a couple little pieces coming from Nordstrom Rack that I can put in there. So that looks pretty good. All right, quick update. I just moved some things around. I put the earrings all up here. I moved some of my necklaces over here. I just put those little keychains there for now, just because I don't really know where else to put them. But I feel like this looks a lot cleaner. I obviously need to clean the like actual felt. I didn't realize it was so dusty until I added lights in this closet. So that will need to get done. But otherwise, I feel like that is pretty organized for now. And then I also just put my little hair clips in here. I'll need to take them out at some point and put them back there maybe. But then I was just going to show you, I don't know if I've showed you guys this, but this is my accessory drawer. I've got watches, I've got room for a couple more, and sunglasses. So I have that pretty well organized. And then I just put that, I think I talked about this in a previous video, but I've got a little bag of like little mini things that sometimes I bring in my purse. So I put that in here so that when I'm getting accessories, I could take things out of there as well. And then I actually moved, I had a little palette holder and I actually had the idea to put it in my closet and hold my wallets. So I did that. Got all my wallets there. This is the little jewelry case. I'm still contemplating where I want to keep it because I feel like it looks much cleaner to not have it right there, but I'm not really sure where else to put it right now. So for now, I'm just going to keep it there. And then, yeah, for the most part, you guys have seen the closet. I moved some hangers around. I got some new hangers. I shouldn't say new, just more of the new ones that I already had. And then I just have my little straw bags over here that don't really stand and fill. And then I still just have my little bags that need to get hung on a closet door once we have closet doors added and not a curtain. And ignore the boxes. My youngest is about to have a birthday, so we have some goodies in there for him. But otherwise, yeah, I feel like this is pretty good. Again, some of those bigger necklaces I might move around. I'm not sure I'm going to keep all of them, but for now, at least they're not as tangled as they were in the drawer. And I feel like that just leaves more room in the drawer for like bracelets, earrings, things like that I'm less concerned are going to get tangled up. So I feel like that's still pretty good. Oh, I also want to show you. Keep seeing all these girls with like the Neverfull bag, and I don't have one, but I do have the Madewell tote bag. And so I got the little insert that all the bloggers kind of keep talking about, and it fit so perfectly into my bag. I am so excited about this. I feel like this bag, I love it, and it's really great, but like having everything just thrown in there is not really practical. So I had the idea to try the little Amazon Never Full insert, and I can link it below. But I'm really excited to actually make use of this because I feel like it's gonna be much easier to put your phone in, or anything else, excuse me, that I'm bringing with me. So I'm excited to try that. So yeah, I feel like the closet is coming along. Let's back up to get a little better view, but I'm happy with how the shelves are looking. Again, once the closet doors come, I can remove that, and we'll just have some bags hanging on the back of that. So yeah, I'm happy with it. One more little tiny update I forgot to tell you guys is my mirror came. I am so excited about this. It has been so much easier than having to pull out like a travel mirror to do my makeup, but I got this really cute one from Wayfair, and it has the little like bird feet on the bottom, which is so cute. I was trying to find something that would fit that space without being massive, and obviously I wouldn't have to mount because it's a window. So I'm really excited about that little mirror. I feel like it just completes the look, and it's super vintage looking. It's really cute. Yeah, so I'm really happy with how my vanity is looking as well. I just cleaned it yesterday to get all the makeup off that I keep spilling. So it actually looks really clean and organized right now. Got the drawers a little more organized. I moved some things around, but I feel like it makes more sense now. It's really easy to find what I'm looking for. So it's been really nice to not have to reach over the travel mirror to get to my makeup. I can actually sit, pull out everything I need, and be able to see myself to put it on. So yeah, I'm really excited about that little update. And then ignore the computer cords. Actually, so many cords. I need to, seriously, my next thing might be my nightstand. I might even work on that a bit today just because it's killing me with how disorganized and ugly it's looking. But shoes are looking really good. I actually have another pair from Nordstrom Rack coming that I got for so dirt cheap, but they're really cute Steve Madden ones, so they're gonna go on top right there. So waiting on that. But otherwise, I feel like the room is coming along. It's looking pretty good. We had a picture fall, so I need to rehang them. We were using command strips, but our room was getting too humid, I think, so it fell. So I need to get real nails and actually hang them so that they don't fall in the middle of the night, which was not fun. So yes, making progress. One more quick note, and sorry it got really dark in my apartment all of a sudden. It's not even really that cloudy out, but I went ahead and switched out or pushed stuff back and put my SL Miss Glam box up there because I just thought it looked a little cleaner than having a bunch of stuff peeking through. So I just have the Chanel box and the SL Miss Glam, and I feel like that looks really nice now. It looks a little boutique-y, which I don't know, I said boutique-y. So yeah, that's a quick little update on